I got a comment to make a video on cartoons. Some of my viewers asked me that which cartoons are helpful to learn English. So today I am going to tell you about some cartoons that will really help you to learn English. But if I talk about me, initially I hadn't watched any cartoons because I had no idea about cartoons. I used to read English books, I used to listen English stuffs, I used to watch BBC English learning. But at the beginning, we all know that we don't have that much understanding to understand the BBC English learning and all. So I used to feel demotivated that I can't ever speak English. Okay, so instead of watching such type of shows, you should watch cartoons because cartoons are really good to learn English. You will start understanding cartoons because cartoons are made up for kids, right? We all know that. So you can easily understand that and you can learn how to speak English just by using simple words by watching cartoons. And as I told you, these are made for kids, so you can easily understand, you can repeat that, you can speak that in your mind, you can practice there better. Okay, so now let's go to the cartoons. Now I'm going to tell you about the cartoons that will really help you to learn English. First cartoon is Peppa Pig. I know that you might not be interested at the beginning in this cartoon, but you have to because you are curious to learn English. So you have to watch this cartoon because it is really an interesting cartoon. But it is not an Indian animated cartoon. Actually, it is British animated cartoon. As you know, Pig. It is the animated story about pig. Okay, there is Peppa and she is main leading role in this cartoon. She stays with her family, Mama Pig, Papa Pig and her little brother George. They enjoy a lot together. She likes to play in muddy puddles, and as you know that pigs are really likes to play in muddy puddles, such things. So she really loves to play in muddy puddles. She loves to enjoy with her little brother George as we do in our family. So she does with her family as well. And next, she is a aggressive nature. She has aggressive nature, but she is like totally a daily conversation like we do in our daily life. So you will listen daily conversation there because it is a like a family show of pigs. So you should definitely watch this cartoon to improve your English, and even you are beginner then you should definitely, because it is easy to understand their language. So you should watch that Peppa Pig cartoon in English. You can search it on YouTube and you can watch this cartoon with subtitle. Yeah, initially you will face problem to understand the British accent, but gradually you will familiar with that accent and you will able to understand British accent better. So you should watch. Okay, and another cartoon is Chota Bheem. Actually, I used to watch this cartoon in my childhood. So initially, I had no idea about cartoon. So I searched about Chota Bheem in English on YouTube, and I got Chota Bheem in English, and I started watching that videos because I was totally comfortable to watch Chota Bheem, and I was able to understand why, because I used to watch in my childhood Chota Bheem. So again I started watching that Chota Bheem series or videos in English. So the thing here is, if you like watching any cartoons and if you were watching any cartoons in your childhood, then try to search that cartoon in English on YouTube. Okay, and you will definitely like to watch that cartoon because in your childhood you were watching that cartoon. So again you can watch. And the next cartoon is a Scooby Doo, Where Are You? It is a cartoon, mysterious cartoon. You will definitely enjoy watching that. If you like to read mysterious novels and if you like to watch mysterious movies as well, because this cartoon is totally full of mystery. Okay, so you will find that sometime someone is going to find about a missing person, about treasure, and somebody is threatening to someone to take over someone's property. So what happened in the Scooby Doo, sorry, a Scooby Doo, is you will see that they try to find some mysterious things. So you will definitely enjoy watching and you will excited to know what is going to happen next, and that's why you will watch the cartoon. Okay, and the next and last cartoon is Paw Patrol. This is not that much interesting as it is Scooby Doo and Peppa Pig and Chota Bheem, but I used to watch. Why? Because I was totally dedicated to learn English. I had decided that I will do anything, whatever it is needed to learn English. So watch I used to watch English contents that were available. Okay, so we all know that cartoons are useful to learn English. So I found that Paw Patrol is also useful to learn English. So I started watching this cartoon as well. So if I talk about the characters of Paw Patrol, there are dogs. There are six rescue dogs. They help to the people to get out of the trouble. Okay, they try to help the public if they are in the any kind of trouble. So you should definitely watch these cartoons. Why cartoons? Because movies and episodes, they use high level of English. So you should watch cartoons to learn English. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.